favorites. They're inexpensive, but they're bright.
Yeah.
Shooters ready?
Yep.
Stand by.
I lost it on that first one.
You did fine. 417. Shooter ready?
Yep.
Stand by. .377. 377. Shooter ready?
Yep.
Stand by. 338. 338. Shooter ready?
Yep.
Stand by. 342. 342.
Last round.
342. Last round. Shooter ready?
Yep.
Stand by. 337. 337. Clear. I bought my first pro point in 1995. Paid $2 1/4 for it.
Whew.
I put it on my slug gun when I was deer hunting the southern tier. It was awesome.
I think that was the last one.
Mike should be shooting. There's one more
Okay,
guy.
one more.
Not that you might not get that ammo. You get groomed like in your shells like that.
I was too busy. I had to adjust.
They won't like it.
I forgot you guys. Well, it's quiet back there.